Welcome to yet another video provided by EduPen channel, and this is the second video or the second part of calculations of total momentum. So when you are given such questions with a lot of sentences, basically what you have to do is to outline the information that you are given, try to write it yourself, and then after you can attempt to calculate whatever is required from you. So without any waste of time, let's go ahead and read. So it is said that we have two motorcycles that are involved in a head-on collision. So this is important because head-on collision, it means that they were moving in opposite direction. If the other one was moving to the right, the other one was moving to the left in an opposite direction. So it is said that motorcycle A has a mass of 200 kilograms and was traveling at 120 kilometers per hour south. So the first thing that we need to do is to outline information for motorcycle A. So we have motorcycle A. So its mass is equals to 200 kilograms, and then the speed is equals to 120 kilometers per hour. And then it is said that it is moving south, which is quite important as well. So it is moving south. And then it is said that we also have motorcycle B. So motorcycle B has a mass of 250 kilograms and was traveling north at 100 kilometers per hour. So we also outline its information. So we have motorcycle B. So its mass, it's 250 kilograms. And then we write its speed, it's 100 kilometers per hour. So for calculations of momentum, we know that the formula is actually P, which is equals to mv, where P indicates momentum, M indicates mass, and V indicates velocity. So we were given speed, not velocity. It means that we have to convert our speed into velocity. If you have no idea on how to go about doing this, there's actually a video in the list of videos that we have on this channel. It has a blue background, so you can go ahead and check that out so that you practice more about how to actually do conversions. So for motorcycle A, we are going to take its 120 kilometers per hour, which is speed. So we're going to say velocity. Let me just say it's V1. It's going to be equals to 120 multiplied by 1,000 over 3,600, which is equals to, let me use our calculator. So it's going to be 120 multiplied by 1,000 over 3,600, which is equals to 33.33. 33.33 meters per second to which direction? South. So it's very important that you always write your direction. And then we go to calculate V2, which will be the velocity for motorcycle number B. So V2 is equals to 100 multiplied by 1,000 over 3,600, which is equals to our calculator, 100 multiplied by 1,000 over 3,600 is 27.78. 27.78 meters per second to which direction? North. North. Never forget your direction or you'll be in trouble, because you actually can lose marks for not writing the direction, especially of velocity and of acceleration as well. So any vector quantity, you actually have to write its magnitude as well as direction. So you can't write one without the other. So now that we have all the information that we need, we can proceed with the calculations of momentum. So we are going to calculate momentum for motorcycle A. So momentum for motorcycle A is going to be equals to P, which is equals to mv. So our mass, it's 200. The velocity, we just calculated it, it's 333.33. And then the answer is, you want to say 200 multiplied by 33.33, which is equals to 6,666 kilograms meters per second. To which direction? South. And then you go ahead and calculate the momentum for the second motorcycle, or motorcycle B. So it's going to be P, which is equals to mv. Your mass, it's 250 multiplied by the velocity that we calculated, it's 27.78. 27.78 multiplied by 250, which is equals to 69.45. 69.45 kilograms meters per second. And then the direction, it's actually north. So after you have done your calculations, you actually have to determine like which direction is taken as positive and which one you're going to take as negative. So let's say take south as positive. So if you've taken south as positive, it means that north is going to be negative because it's the opposite direction. So we go ahead and calculate the total momentum. PT is equals to, we write the momentum for motorcycle A, which is 666 kilograms meters per second, plus negative 6945 kilograms meters per second. So it's negative because it's opposite direction to the direction that we have actually considered as positive. So use our calculator. 6666 minus 6945, it's equals to negative 279 kilograms meters per second. To which direction? Then you say therefore PT is equals to 279 kilograms meters per second north, because it's negative. And then that's how you go about calculating the total momentum of a system. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you do not miss any content from EduPen. See you on the next one.